quick vid. These are some Merrell Moab tactical hiking boots. Merrell Moab. Moab 3s. Yeah, so these are the mid-height. So they make different ankle sizes. They have a low one. This is the mid. They might make a high. I think they might make a high one. But this is like your, your mid-top hiking boot. Waterproof. They've got the Vibram soles. And all around, like, here's your waterproof tag. I'll give you a close-up shot here. Overall, just a solid boot. I've got no complaints with them. Nice cushioned tongue, loops on the heels, leather. Nice fat Vibram sole, nice grip, big old tread. I wear a USA 11.5 in sneaker. These are USA 12s, and I've got plenty of room for socks and stuff, but I also think I could wear an 11.5 in these boots. So take that how you will. So I've got them where I can just slip them on. And these things are warm, waterproof, solid. Super tough. These I've had about a year and a half. I've had Merrells in the past, and the pair of Merrells I had before this were at Moab's. I can't remember the model, but they were very similar, and I had them from 2011 to 2024. So I had them for 13 years, and they were also waterproof leather, I think Vibram soles, and I worked in them under houses and shit, and they were tough. Like, they lasted and lasted and lasted. By the end of it, the heels were coming off, and I actually had repaired them with like RTV silicone, which actually worked surprisingly well. So Permatex black, and I just like filled in where the sole was coming off. But these, if you're not like completely murdering them, like if you're light on them, you'll get 10 years out of these suckers. Like no problem. I'm sure of it. Like, they're just solid. So check out the link. I'll put it down below. I'll put the other one on. Yeah, badass. So hopefully that gives you a good look. The let's see, the laces, they've got metal eyes. Of course, you can, the ones they come with they'll last forever, but you could do whatever, customize them, get your own. Super sick. It's got like a sort of like a honeycomb stitching in the synthetic, in between the leather portions. The tongue is all synthetic here, and then it's got leather patch here for this pass through, and the tag, of course. There's the sizes: medium, USA 12. So check them out. Thanks for watching. Happy trails.